Well, everyone, it's the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's time to call out for some special guests. And as a matter of fact, I have some special guests here with us right now. Tell everyone, what's your name?
Allie, I'm 10 years old. Hello, I'm Elijah, 11 years old.
Can you help me say the words bibbidi bobbidi boo? 1, 2, 3.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo!
Hello, my dears. So many smiling faces. And I see some of you have your wishing wands. Together, we can make even the biggest wishes come true. Like setting sail. Let's see what our magic can do. Wands up. Repeat after me. Wishes do come true. Ready? Wishes do come true.
It's time to celebrate.
Hi there.
Now put your hands up, magic all around, and I can't get enough. Yeah, I can feel the love. Yeah. Adventures waiting for us on the sea. I can't wait to find all the boys with the family.
Well, dang ever.
Oh, goody goody. Setting sail on a vacation really is magical. Especially when you're with family and friends.
That's right. Here on board, your family and friends become our family. So come on and join our family time.
Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our brotherly time. We're happy, giving and taking to the friends we're making. There's nothing we won't do. Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our happy to be time. This is our festival, and knowing best of all, we're here to share it all.
Remember,
I'm Ashley, your cruise director, and I got a question for you. Are you having a good time? That's what I'm talking about. Well, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to say goodbye to the shore and hello to your Disney cruise vacation. So let's sound that ship's horn. Captain Minnie, will you do the honors, please?
Oh, I'd love to. Will you all help me count down?
Sure will.
Happy to.
What fun! Here we go. From 5.
4, 3, 2,
'em.
See you around.
Happy sailings! Bye-bye!
See you real soon.
And remember, wishes do come true.